In Jiu-Jitsu, one of the most intimidating things when you first step on the mat is how to tie your belt. Okay, this first one is the standard Jiu-Jitsu knot. This is the first way you learn how to tie your belt. All right, so what I'm gonna do is find the center of my belt. So I'm gonna hold my belt up, let both sides hang, and find the center. The moment I find that, I'm gonna take my right side of my jacket, tuck it in, take my left side, tuck it over the right. I then take that center point and I go just below my belly button. And I wrap my belt around my back and I pass each of the belt off to the other hand. And I bring my belt back out front. I make sure they're both even. If they're a little offset, you can pull back and forth to get them both even. When I have that, I take my left hand, I go over, and I take my right hand and I go over that one. So now my bar is on my left side and my tag is on my right side. From there, I'm gonna take my bar and I'm gonna go under all of the belts. And I'm gonna pull it through. The moment I have it pulled through, I take that bar and I go over the bottom. I reach my hand through, grab the bar, and pull it through. The moment I have it pulled through, I just pull tight on both sides, and that's how you tie your belt. All right, for the second knot, I'm gonna show you, this one's my favorite. It's called two different things. It's either called a lock knot or a Hollywood knot. And what you wanna do is take your non-bar side of your belt. So I take this side, again, my right goes first, and then my left part of my lapel goes over the right. I take this side and I go all the way to the back far hip. I take the rest of the belt and I just wrap it around me. Most of the time it goes around 2 times. And it should land my bar directly on my front right hip. I then take my belt and I go under all the other belt. Once I have that, I pull the bottom layer out, which then shows my tag. From there, I pull it nice and tight and I make sure they're even. If they're not even at that point, you can adjust it a little to get it. I then take the bar side and I go through the top layer in between the back layer. And I leave a little bit of slack so I can still fit my hand in. I then take the bottom layer with the tag and I go over and through the hole and through the second layer of the belt. The same exact way I did the first side. So now both parts of my belt are through a loop and in between the 2 layers. The moment I have that, I pull them both tight and my belt is locked in place. No matter how many times I roll that day, your belt will never fall off.